Hi, English 111. I wanted to post a short video walking through some of the elements of the outline. In the last module, you turned in a practice outline, the one about sandwiches. And for the most part, you guys did a great job with that. Just want to point out a few things for this outline because you're going to be doing it for an essay for the first time. And then for the remaining 2 essays in the class, you will also be turning in an outline for those. So I just wanted to walk through some of the basics again, just to make sure that you are kind of on top of what I'm looking for in the outline and really why I'm doing it, because it's meant to be part of the writing process that you can find incredibly useful in terms of creating an essay that you are proud of and that when you turn it in earns you the most points possible because you've already gotten feedback on the outline. So let me show you a few things just so that you know where everything is and we are speaking the same language. So in the course, if you click on sample/model assignments, most of you have done this correctly. If you scroll down, there is a sample outline and a sample outline blank. This one is the one that you can download and use as a template. So that way you know that you're using the format that I require for the outlines. So let me show you what these two look like. So this is the sample outline that's posted there in the course. So it's got your name and all that good stuff. And then notice these bold headings. So give me your topic, and then give me your intro paragraph and thesis. We practiced doing some intro paragraphs and thesis statements, and we talked about what the shape of the paragraph should be. So that's what I'm wanting to see here. Have you accomplished that? And then give me the topic for each body paragraph. So each of these should be one idea that helps to develop or support the thesis statement that you just gave me at the end of the intro. Give me your conclusion paragraph, which works opposite of the intro. It starts specific and then draws the essay back out to sort of a big idea or big picture idea. And then at the end, there's the bold heading, sources I will use. And I've clearly put here, you're not required to list sources or research for essays that do not require it. But if an essay does require research, this is where you would list your sources in correct MLA format. So that way I can see that you've A, found some sources that work for you, and B, you're starting to get the idea of MLA format and how to list those sources. So the sample is just those bold headings. So download this, use it. You would of course change this title depending on what essay it is that we're doing. But taking a look at that sample outline and then using this template for your outline is what I want you to do for the outline assignments. So here's why I would like for you to use outlines. I know a lot of people use something like outlines. Sometimes they'll use like a bubble map or just bullet point brainstorming. Those are all really good first steps. An outline can be a very good second step to prepare you for actually writing the essay. If I've brainstormed and I've got a lot of really good ideas, I kind of know what I'd like to write about, the outline gives me an opportunity to put those ideas in order, to craft pretty much what I'm going to do for the introduction and for the thesis. And it gives me a chance to take a kind of a big look where I can kind of step back and go, okay, here's what this essay is going to look like. And that's a good place to then question, do I have enough information? Have I put my ideas in the correct order? Do I need to switch things around? Because that's the perfect time to do that before you actually write the essay. The outline, by submitting it to me, also gives you a chance to get good feedback from me on your topic, on the body paragraphs and what you're actually saying. And then in the essays that require research, it gives me a chance to see the sources that you're using, and I can help you out before you actually submit the essay that uses that research. So the outline is there to help you get organized, to help you see what the essay is going to look like its bones, and how you can flesh out those ideas. But then it also gives you a chance to give it to me so that I can give you some feedback and help you develop a better essay than maybe you would have done without that feedback at that point. So each of these essays gives you a chance to get feedback from each other on the discussion board, feedback from me on the essay, on the outline for the essay. Then you write the essay. So you're building it in this sort of stepwise manner. So I look forward to seeing your outlines for this comparison and contrast essay. Remember what the purpose is. Make sure that you're reading that assignment sheet really well. And I look forward to seeing your topics and what you're going to write about.